Welcome back to Code 2 Car, the channel where we bring you daily updates on the most exciting cars hitting the road. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to Code 2 Car and hit that like button so you never miss out, because we review cars every single day. Today, we're diving deep into a vehicle that has already made waves as one of the most loved family SUVs in the United States and globally. We're talking about the 2026 Kia Telluride, a car that continues to prove that Kia has become a serious player in the SUV market. The Telluride was first launched back in 2019, and it quickly became one of the most awarded SUVs in its segment. Known for its space, comfort, technology, and value for money, the Telluride didn't just compete with established players like the Toyota Highlander, Honda Pilot, and Ford Explorer, it dominated. Now, in 2026, Kia has given it a fresh redesign and more upgrades to ensure it stays ahead of the pack. The first thing to talk about is the design. Kia has given the Telluride an even bolder and more modern look. At the front, you have a redesigned grille that feels more upscale, with a wider stance that makes the SUV look powerful and confident. Slimmer LED headlights now integrate seamlessly into the grille design, while vertical daytime running lights give it a signature look that stands out both day and night. The bumper design is more sculpted, with sharper edges and improved aerodynamics. Around the side, the strong body lines and slightly flared wheel arches add to its rugged yet premium appeal. New wheel designs in sizes up to 21 inches make the SUV look even more stylish, while the rear features a modernized tailgate with fresh taillight graphics and a sleeker overall shape. Kia has clearly aimed to balance rugged SUV presence with modern luxury styling. Step inside, and the 2026 Telluride makes a strong impression. One of the key selling points of this SUV has always been its interior, and Kia knows it. For 2026, they've improved materials across the board, making the cabin feel more premium and inviting. You'll find soft-touch surfaces, upscale leather options, and brushed aluminum or wood-like trims that give it a near-luxury vibe. The centerpiece of the dashboard is Kia's new curved panoramic display, which combines a digital driver cluster and a large infotainment screen into one sweeping unit. This not only looks futuristic but is also very intuitive to use. The infotainment system supports the latest version of Kia Connect, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in navigation, and over-the-air software updates. Comfort has been a huge focus for the 2026 Telluride. Seating for up to 8 passengers is available, with optional captain's chairs in the second row if you want a 7-passenger configuration. Both heating and ventilation are offered in the front and second row seats, making long trips much more enjoyable. The third row, often a weak point in SUVs of this size, is surprisingly usable for adults thanks to Kia's clever packaging. And because it's a family SUV, storage space is critical. The Telluride offers plenty of cargo room, and folding the seats down reveals a flat and spacious load area, perfect for everything from groceries to camping gear. Performance-wise, Kia has kept the winning formula but refined it further. The 2026 Telluride comes with a 3.8-liter V6 engine producing around 295 horsepower, paired with an improved 8-speed automatic transmission. While it's not a high-performance SUV, it offers more than enough power for daily driving, highway cruising, and even towing. Speaking of towing, the Telluride is rated to pull up to 5,500 pounds, which means you can tow a small camper, boat, or trailer without issue. For those who like to explore, Kia continues to offer an all-wheel drive system with drive modes tailored for snow, mud, and sand, giving the Telluride true versatility. Fuel efficiency has also been slightly improved for 2026, thanks to engine refinements and better aerodynamics. On top of that, Kia is rumored to be working on a hybrid version of the Telluride, which could arrive later in the lineup. This would be a major advantage in markets where fuel economy and emissions regulations are tightening. For now, the V6 remains smooth, reliable, and capable. Technology and safety are also big selling points. The Telluride is packed with Kia's latest safety suite, including advanced adaptive cruise control, lane centering assist, blind spot monitoring with live camera views, automatic emergency braking, and even a driver attention monitor. New for 2026 is a more advanced highway driving assist system that uses AI to predict road conditions and adjust driving dynamics more naturally. Add in a 360-degree camera system, parking assist, and rear cross-traffic alerts, and you've got one of the safest SUVs in the class. From a financial perspective, the 2026 Telluride continues to shine. One of the reasons this SUV became so popular is its incredible value. Even in 2026, it undercuts many rivals while offering features that you'd normally find in luxury SUVs costing tens of thousands more. Families looking for a smart investment will appreciate not only the affordable purchase price but also Kia's excellent warranty coverage. The 10-year or 100,000-mile powertrain warranty provides peace of mind and lowers long-term ownership costs. This makes the Telluride a great choice for buyers who want reliability without breaking the bank. For businesses or ride-sharing drivers, the Telluride offers durability and comfort, meaning lower running costs and better returns. In terms of competition, the Telluride still holds strong against models like the Toyota Highlander, Honda Pilot, Ford Explorer, and even luxury options like the Acura MDX or Lexus RX. What sets it apart is the balance of price, features, space, and design. It's the SUV that does almost everything well without charging you a premium badge price. What really makes the Telluride special, though, is its reputation. Owners consistently rave about how enjoyable it is to live with, from school runs to road trips to daily commutes. The 2026 model takes everything people already loved and makes it better. It's the kind of SUV that feels just as at home in the suburbs as it does on a weekend getaway in the mountains. To wrap it all up, the 2026 Kia Telluride proves why it's one of the most important SUVs in today's market. It offers a bold design, a premium and spacious interior, advanced technology, strong performance, impressive safety, and outstanding financial value. Kia has managed to refine an already winning formula, and the result is an SUV that continues to punch above its weight. This was Code 2 Car, your daily car review channel. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Kia Telluride, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Code 2 Car, and turn on the bell so you never miss our latest uploads. Tell us in the comments, is the Telluride still the king of family SUVs, or do you think another model deserves the crown? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.